Most Americans are just one event away from losing everything. No power, no heat, no food, no help. And the scariest part? The Pentagon, Congress, and Homeland Security already know what's coming. This isn't about war, inflation, or another pandemic. It's about a silent, instant, invisible threat, an EMP, an electromagnetic pulse, that can fry circuits across the country in seconds. One high-altitude EMP could collapse the grid. No power, no transport, no hospitals, no food supply chain. The Congressional EMP Commission warned up to 90% of Americans could die within a year, not from the blast, but from famine, disease, and violence. I used to think this sounded like a movie plot until January 6, 2025, when a winter storm hit Erie, Pennsylvania, and my family got a preview of what life looks like when modern systems fail. The power went out and stayed out. No heat, no information, no way to call for help. By day 3, we were freezing in our own home, boiling snow on a camp stove and trying to comfort our kids with nothing warm left to eat. Then, through the frosted window, I saw one house on our street still had light and warmth. While the rest of us froze, one man was calm, prepared, and self-reliant. His name was Mr. Carter, a quiet, retired Army engineer. Inside his home, a wood stove crackling, clean water stored, shelves of real food, and steady off-grid life. No panic, no fear, just systems already in place. Carter told me, "I'm not just ready for storms. I'm ready for the big one." He explained how an EMP could take everything down in seconds, and how Washington already knows, but isn't warning people. Then he pulled out a thick binder, decades of notes, diagrams, and checklists. His personal survival blueprint. Heat without the grid. Water that never stops. Real food stored for years. Light, security, and even EMP-shielded devices. I took that binder home and started testing. Within hours, we had steady heat without the thermostat, clean water stored, and real food preserved without a freezer. Everything worked. No guesswork. No hype. That's when I rebuilt Carter's private notes into a clear, step-by-step system any family can follow. No military jargon, no bunkers, no expensive gear, just practical, proven methods for real people. That system is called the Blackout Protocol Survival System. Inside, you'll discover how to stay warm without gas or electricity, secure a lasting water supply, and purify and build a reliable food reserve using real food generate light, and cook without the grid shield essential devices from EMP. Make your home a place looters avoid. When you get the Blackout Protocol, you also receive Bonus 1, 72-hour Blackout Survival Guide Bonus 2, EMP-proof device shielding handbook Bonus 3, Food Security Secrets Bonus 4, safe and silent home defense so you're covered in the first hours, the first weeks, and long term. This complete system plus all 4 bonuses could easily sell for over $197. But today, you can get instant digital access to everything for a one-time payment of just $39.
And you're completely protected by a 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee. Download it, read it, start implementing. If you don't feel more confident, more prepared, and more in control, send one email and get a full refund.
When the next blackout, cyber attack, or grid failure hits, you either panic with everyone else, or sit in a warm, lit home with food, water, and a clear plan. That choice is made now, not later. Click below to get the Blackout Protocol Survival System today, and protect what matters most while you still can.